Rush, what are you doing?
So we've just completed a major service on this 570 GT and we need to reset the service reminder. So we're going to do that through Diagcode, a few clicks, done. So as you can see, we've got a service reminder that we need to reset. So for this, we're going to go into Instrument Cluster, go into Guided Functions, Service Indicator Reset, done. Here we can see last records stored on the system. So we've just done that one. And within the instrument cluster list, we've got other special functions that can be carried out here. This is where Diagcode is over and above other aftermarket tools with functionality and in-depth functions of special configurations, calibrations, etc, etc.
And Rush, where can I find this tool?
Just go to diagcode.com. All the products, including this tool, is available on there for sale.